Welcome to video number 3 of a 3-part series of the Factory Cat Magnum Use and Care video guide. Your Factory Cat Magnum can be filled from the front manually or through the fill port located at the right rear of the machine as shown. When using chemistry with your Magnum Auto Scrubber, it is important to use only low foaming chemical. Liquid cleaners, no powders. Make sure that the chemical is non-flammable and water temperature is not to exceed 135 degrees Fahrenheit or 57 degrees Celsius. Do not use a high percentage bleach chemical and use only facility approved chemistry. For further questions, contact your facilities manager. Before operating your Magnum, make sure that you have the correct pad or brush suited for the floor that you are cleaning. Always start out in an inconspicuous area to ensure that the brush or pad is working properly. Once your brush or pad is selected, install accordingly. View video number 2 of the Factory Cat Magnum Use and Care series for further details on brush installation. Setting controls for single pass scrub. Number 1. Turn your key to the on position as shown. Step number 2 is to set your speed control. Always turn your speed control to the 0 position as demonstrated here, and then start out no more than 1/4 of a turn. You can adjust your speed control beyond that once you are in your cleaning application. Step number 3 is to set your solution control using the blue toggle switch as demonstrated here. Once solution is activated, the water on symbol will display on your LCD screen. Step number 4 is to set your down pressure using the black toggle switch. Note, always start with low scrub pressure. Notice that your scrub pressure will always have 2 indicators on the LCD as shown. Step number 5, lower your scrub head as demonstrated here. Step number 6 is to lower your squeegee by moving the squeegee lever from the left to the right as shown. Step number 7 is to activate your scrub buttons as demonstrated here, and you are ready to begin your cleaning operation. Always remember to ensure safety to position wet floor signs throughout your scrubbing area whenever you are operating your Magnum Auto Scrubber. Your Magnum Auto Scrubber will clean between 26,000 to 34,000 square feet per hour based on the model of the Magnum Scrubber you have. Double scrub application. In heavy soil load applications, leaving the cleaning solution on the floor is the best method for heavy soil load environments. The operation for the double scrub process is the same as the single scrub process, except the squeegee is left in the up position for the first scrub pass, and then lowered for solution recovery on the second pass, as demonstrated here. Your Magnum Scrubber includes 2 maintenance charts that are found in the operations folder. The charts are a detailed machine maintenance and battery guide covering the daily, weekly, and monthly maintenance checks that need to be performed to maintain the proper operation of your Magnum Scrubber. These need to be placed where the machine will be serviced at the end of the scrubbing cycle. At the end of your cleaning shift, it is important to service your Magnum Auto Scrubber in an area that is approved for draining. Your first step in the maintenance of your auto scrubber is to drain your recovery tank and solution tank as demonstrated here. Next, open your recovery tank lid and service your drain saver as demonstrated here. Once this is completed, flush your recovery tank, your drain saver, and your float shutoff as shown. Once these items are properly cleaned, replace them accordingly. Once your drain saver, float shutoffs, and tanks have been properly flushed, it is important to clean your tank beads and tank seals, as demonstrated here. This will ensure a tight vacuum seal during a vacuum operation. Once your recovery tank beads and seals have been cleaned, it is important to lower your recovery tank lid and clean the sight dome, as demonstrated here. It is important to clean the bead and seal assembly. Next, once this is completed, clean the dome and to ensure that the dome chains are in proper position when replacing the sight dome, as shown here. Once the recovery tank has been serviced, remove your squeegee assembly and flush any debris and soil from the squeegee assembly itself. Inspect the squeegees for wear and damage. Once cleaned, replace the squeegee to the squeegee assembly. When servicing your Magnum Auto Scrubber, it is important to keep water away from the control panel. Spraying water on the control panel assembly could cause panel damage. Battery charging. When charging your Magnum Auto Scrubber, it is important to use the factory charger that is designed for your factory cat machine. First, plug the Red Anderson plug into the back of the charge port as demonstrated here. Next, plug your AC plug into the wall outlet and the battery charger will energize as demonstrated by the charge indicator dial. When the batteries are fully charged, the charger will automatically turn off. Squeegee maintenance and adjustment. To adjust your Magnum squeegee, remove the vacuum hose and locate the round squeegee knob located on top of the squeegee bracket assembly, as demonstrated here. Turning the knob clockwise will lower the squeegee tips. Turning the knob counterclockwise will raise the squeegee tips. The goal is to achieve an even squeegee deflection across the entire squeegee assembly. Refer to your owner's manual for more detailed information on this topic. When changing your squeegees on your Magnum Auto Scrubber, look on the right-hand corner of the squeegee assembly for an embossed number. This number will indicate the size of the squeegees that your Magnum Scrubber is using. You're aware Magnum's rear squeegee or wiping squeegee consists of 4 usable edges. Flip the squeegees accordingly when the edge of your squeegee Magnum is worn down. Your squeegee is held in place with 8 stainless steel wing nuts. It is important to install the squeegee bolts the exact same way that they were removed, because each bolt is sized to each slot on the squeegee assembly. See your owner's manual for a more detailed instruction. The front squeegee has 2 different sets of air inlet ports per side. The top has 5 inlets and the bottom has 3 inlets. This squeegee can be flipped to eliminate squeegee cavitation depending on the type of floor surface you are operating on. Regardless of the surface, the squeegee will be able to be set up based on your floor application. For more detailed information about your Factory Cat Magnum Auto Scrubber, visit us on the website at www.factorycat.com. Choose the Scrubber tab, then choose the Magnum Scrubber tab. Here you will find detailed information on your scrubber by clicking on the following icons such as machine specs, product brochures, preventative maintenance guides, recommended stocking parts, machine upgrades, operation manuals, parts manuals, and detailed comparison charts. As an example, by clicking on the Preventive Maintenance tab, this will give you, the user, detailed instructions on how to complete a preventive maintenance procedure on your Factory Cat Magnum scrubber. Or you can contact your installing Factory Cat dealer for a factory certified PM program for your Magnum auto scrubber. Factory Cat, putting the power of the cat to work for you. For more information about this product, feel free to contact Factory Cat Incorporated at www.factorycat.com or call us direct at 1-800-450-9824. On behalf of all of us here at Factory Cat, we thank you for watching this video.